Hey Nicole, what's next? The API television logo? Oh no, I should have not said that.
I like big boots and I cannot lie.
Oh God help. Not the API television logo from 1968. No 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 oh 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 oh.
Yes, 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 yes. Ha 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 ha.
Gee, baseball. I feel bad that this logo was sent here. I bet we're all scared of certain logos. Don't worry, best bud. I'll take care of this logo, baseball.
Thanks, Coiny.
Now to do the job. A PI television, for scaring Nicole's best friend, take that. Finally. The 1968 API television logo is gone. Now to continue the bloopers.